today we're trying to make PowerPoint 365 on a Mac a little bit easier to use. So we'll be looking at how to make PowerPoint more like Windows, the setup of easy shape alignment keyboard shortcuts. So the problem with PowerPoint for Mac is that there are not preset shortcuts for the align and distribute. As you can see here on the align to top, there's no keyboard shortcut. So the way to set up a shortcut for PowerPoint is to close PowerPoint, go into System Preferences and access the keyboard options. Then from keyboard, if you click shortcuts and app shortcuts, and here you can add any new shortcuts that you want for any of the applications installed on your Mac. So in this instance, if we select Microsoft PowerPoint, then in the field called menu title, you need to type in the instructions as if you were selecting the command from the menu. And in this example, you can see that we first go to Arrange, then Align or Distribute, and finally click Align to Top. So our menu title command becomes Arrange, Align or Distribute, Align to Top. The most important parts of this are not to have any spaces before or after the command selection, and also to use the dash and then arrow in between the commands. Next, we can set the keyboard shortcut to be anything we want. I wanted to keep it similar to Windows, so I did Control T for Align to Top. If we go back into PowerPoint and go to the menu options, you can see that the Align to Top option now has a keyboard shortcut over on the right with Control T. Now that the alignment shortcuts are set up, you can quickly move objects and shapes around in your PowerPoint and align them to however you like. Here are a few examples of the ones that I've set up. Hopefully this Mac PowerPoint alignment shortcut helps make Mac PowerPoint a little bit better for you. And as always, if you have any questions, let me know below.